Hello students, welcome back in our online classes of class 6. Now today in the module number 16 we are studying grammar topic, that is adjective. So everybody knows what is adjective, that we had studied in class 5 also and 4 also. Now what is the definition of adjective? An adjective is a word that tells more about a noun or pronoun. Okay, so adjective tells more about noun. Now let's see some examples. Black cat. Now what is adjective here? Black. And what is cat? It is noun. So black is telling more about cat, which is noun. Dirty shirt. These girls. One book. Beautiful flower. Clever boy. Rich man. Long tails. A long snake. Ripe mangoes. Several girls. So here we can see the adjective with the noun. Now let's study about the types of adjective. Now we have many types of adjective. The first one in the category is adjective of quality. Yes, that tells about a quality of noun. Okay, so what type of noun it is, that we come to know in the adjective of quality. Example, the honest citizen was rewarded by the grateful king. Now honest and grateful are adjective here. Second category is proper adjective, which derive from a proper noun. Yes, when we change noun into adjective, we get proper adjective. Example, the Gangetic plain is very fertile. Gangetic, which we get from the word Ganga. Yes, the Ganga river. Okay. Now the third category is adjective of quantity, which tells how much of a thing is being referred to. Yes, how much. Now adjective of quantity is used with the uncountable noun. Okay, with the uncountable noun that we studied in when we studied about the noun also. Now example, he has a little intelligence. Okay, intelligence is noun. We can't measure that is your abstract noun. If you remember that abstract noun, so we can't measure it, we can feel it. Okay, adjective of number. Now what is adjective of number? That shows how many person or thing are being referred or to, or in order a person stands. Now example here, Sunday is the first day of the week. Okay, so Sunday is the first day. First is the adjective of number. Now come to the next category, that is distributive adjective. As the name tells, is distribute. Okay, it refers to each person or thing in a group. Example, every child has to attend the summer camp. Now every is the distributive adjective here. Okay, demonstrative adjective. Now demonstrate, that tells about, points the things. Okay, the point out which person or thing is being referred to in a sentence. Example, this girl, pointing out which girl? This girl is smart. Interrogative adjective. Now what is interrogative? Again the word interrogative is used here, which we are studying in past many other topics also. So interrogative means asking question. You remember interrogative sentences? Yes. So interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions. Example, whose pen is this? Okay. Now the next category is possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. If you remember the word possessive, we studied in noun also. Possessive noun. So possessive means belongings. So here when adjective shows the belongings or possessive, it comes under the category of adjective. Possessive adjective. So example is, his watch is expensive. Now watch, is showing whose watch is this? His watch. So here his is the possessive adjective. Now if you remember, we have changed the noun, abstract noun, if you remember that thing. Now here we are learning how noun can change into adjective. Yes, we can change noun into adjective also by adding few letters. We can change noun into adjective. So in your book, page number 27, the exercise is given. That exercise you have to do in your English notebook. Okay? So this exercise you have to do in your notebook, in which you have to change noun into adjective. The first word air. Air is noun. And when we add the word y, it becomes airy. So it becomes airy, that is adjective. Okay? Airy room. Then room is noun and airy becomes adjective. Fine. The next is glory. When we add ous, it becomes glorious and it becomes adjective. Enjoy, enjoyment, music, musical, nature, natural, achieve, achievable, healthy, health, healthy, play, playful, beauty, beautiful, mystery, mysterious. Yes, so these are few words, 10 words we have that you have to write in your notebook. Okay, now next exercise in your book. Again from page number 27 is the filling the blanks. Here again you have to fill the adjective, but again we have to change noun into adjective. So this also 5 sentences, these 5 sentences also you have to do in your notebook as well as in your book also. Okay, fine. Now I hope you understand what is adjective and how we can change noun into adjective. Okay, so okay, take care children. Bye.